Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to learn the file info, or you can call that a metadata that you can add for your file, and the shortcut for that is Alt plus Shift plus Control plus I. So I'm going to just click at that. So this window is going to show me, so here on the top for my artwork, if there is any artwork, and here I'm going to make this type of artwork, and here I'm going to use the pen tool, and we're going to use the shape builder tool. We're going to remove this part, and also we're going to fill this with something like this, and also for this one. So we have this artwork, and if I want to add the metadata to this folder, so we have bunch of different information that I can add for this artwork. So let me show you here under file menu. If you click on the file info, so we have the document title for this artwork. We have this author. This author is going to be my channel, Bina Horizon, and also we have this author title. So we have the description, and also you can rate your design. So here we have this 5 rating star, so you can select this 4 up to 5. And also we have the description, right, and you can add the keywords. And the important thing with this metadata or file info, we have the copyright status. So if you click at this, so we have this unknown, we have copyrighted, and we have this public domain. If you are going to use this as a copyrighted artwork, so you are going to select this one, and you can add the copyright notice. Even you can add the copyright URL to this document for this artwork. So if you're going to give this design to a public domain online, and if you want to allow everyone to use this artwork for the commercial and for personal use, so select this public domain, because you're going to set this free and everyone can access this and it can use it for different purpose. But if you're going to put this copyright, so make sure you add this copyright notice, copyright info URL as well here. And also with this file info or metadata, we can see we have this creation date, we have modification date, and we have the application, and we have this preferences. If you click at that, so you can see we have the option show error log, we have enable autocomplete, and we can click on clear if you want to clear this autocomplete. And also we have the templates, you can import and export this template for this file info or metadata. So under metadata we have more things, like we have this camera data, which is not available here, and origin is the something that you can add the date created, the city, the province, the country, the credit lines, and you have more like instruction, and you have this urgency that you can select this high, and you can select different option which is available. So with IPTC we have this iptc.org, and we have the creator. So for this IPTC you can add more information like city, state, province, postal code, country, phone, email, and website. And with IPCT extension you can add information like this IPTC extension. So with that you can see we have this name of featured organization, we have code of featured organization, event ID. So we have the GPS data as well, which is not available right now, and we have this audio. So you can add the audio, you can add the artist, album, track number, we have this genre, we have this composer, we have this engineer, we have this release date, we have this copyright notice. For audio, data you can add more. With video data, so you're going to see we have this tab name is scene, shot, take, and shot date, and we have more. So with Photoshop, this is really important. If you brought this design from Photoshop, if it's created with the Photoshop, and you can add the history for that. So this is the first history, or the first time that this document is made by Photoshop. So you can add all the history for this document or any other document. So with DICOM, so this is going to be for all the medical stuff. So we have all the medical information, like you can, if you are going to design something for any medical purpose or medical things, so like you're going to design something like a close design or shapes that you are going to provide that service to the medical section. So here we have all the medical things that you can add, like patient name, we have patient ID, date of birth, patient sex, study ID, referring physician, and we have the study date. We have more information that is going to relate to all medical. So here we have the medical section as well inside the metadata of our Adobe Illustrator, and also with AEM properties, which is not available, and also with raw data you're going to get all in XML. So we have all in XML, as you can see. We have all the XML, you can copy that as well. So after you're going to add this metadata or file info and you're done with it, so then hit OK. So now we have this metadata with this folder that we used to apply it from the file menu here, and the shortcut for that, again, it's all plus shift plus control plus I if you want to add the file info or metadata for your document. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to add this metadata for your document. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.